hold on. Let me fix the chair. Ernie. Gentle.
Oh my god.
Ernie, gentle.
Oh my god.
Ernie.
Ah, too close.
Okay,
Too close.
Ernie.
Back.
Okay. Alright. It's not creepy enough in here.
Wait, hold on. Have that Coke?
Oh. No! This is no picnic. Jeez.
Yes, hold on.
What?
Nothing.
Okay. It's not creepy enough in here. Danny, lights.
Yes, boss.
Danny, what did I tell you? Creepy voices only.
Sorry, boss. Sorry, boss.
There you go. Hello, Matthew. You don't know me, but I know you. And now, I won't play a game. The rules are what?
Oh my god.
Ernie.
What was that
No,
thing?
don't worry about it. No one knows.
Oh my god.
Okay, Matthew. Do you see that contraction on your face?
Yeah, what is it?
It's a reversible bear trap. It'll rip open your mouth and blood will squish everywhere. Your teeth will be flying out. You're really disgusting shit. You okay?
Yeah.
Are you crying?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Well, what do you think of it?
It's very creepy and, looks like it could kill somebody.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said to my wife. But she's like, no, we'll be fine, especially when you do your work.
I know, a woman.
I know. My sister's like that. I mean, what's the deal with that?
Yeah, so.
Oh, I just want to know your opinion. You can take it off now.
Alright, cool. So, carefully, right?
Oh yeah, careful. Just careful.
Alright, so. Ah!
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Boss.
I'm going to... Yeah, Danny, shut up.
Boss, I think he's dead.
No, shit. Danny, what are you, some kind of genius? We're murderers. We're going to jail, man. We're going to jail. Ernie. Where's Ernie? God damn it, Ernie. I told you never to leave when I'm doing my work. Ernie, God damn it, Ernie.